Hello, in this video we are exploring two data integration process, ETL and ELT. ETL, which stands for Extract, Transform, Load, is a traditional process in data warehousing in which data is extracted from different sources like database, files, SaaS application events, and then store at a staging area like S3 storage, blob for transformation using Python, Spark, etc. And after that, data is finally loaded into data warehouse from which we can use this data for analytics. On the other side, ELT, which stands for Extract, Load and Transform. It is a newer approach than ETL. Here, after data extraction, data is directly loaded into data warehouse and then transformation occur as needed. So, whether data is structured or unstructured, it is directly loaded into data warehouse in its original form. So, it means there's a positive point that team members have a chance to explore more or analysis in future if they want on a huge amount of data. But there's a negative point also, that there is no compliance with standards and no data consistency. But in ETL, only structured data is stored in data warehouse, so there is compliance with the standard and higher quality of data is available for analysis. So in ETL, there is a need to define some constraints from the start of the process. So data is available at some interval only. But if data is too large or big, then resource consumption and time for transformation become too large that team members have to wait a long to work upon that. But in ELT, data is available in real time for analysis of our end users. So in this way, ETL works well for small data set, but ELT can handle big data with cloud computing. So both ETL and ELT has its own plus and minus, but it depends on our needs or constraint that what process we want to use. ETL is still a good choice for organization with structured data and with higher strict quality data requirements. But nowadays, ELT is gaining popularity as it's a newer approach than ETL, and it can easily handle big data with cloud computing. Thank you.